Alright, this AI video editor is getting out of hand. It's just too good to be true. Because look what you can do. You can literally prompt your effects that are reusable into the app. So it's a new function called Zippy Effects. And check this out. You can literally create, like this is for example, a comment card, which you can literally create from prompting. So I literally created this by saying, hey, create me a comment card that flies into the screen so that I can always edit the name of the commenter and the actual commenter. And this is what it came up with. Absolutely insane. So I'm literally going to create one right now. To create one, you click on your effect, and I want tons of laughing emojis going from the bottom of the screen to the top of the screen. And then I click on create effect, and what you're about to see, it's going to create this effect for me. And then I can reuse it permanently whenever I want to, just by prompting the AI video editor. And I'm actually going to show you how I actually do that in reality on the timeline. So for those of you who don't know what this is, check this out, by the way. It's ready just now. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. You see the laughing emojis flying right from the bottom of the screen. So if I save this effect and I click on auto fill over here at the top, it's going to like fill in this form for me. What is this effect called? Rising laughing face emoji. And when should I use this? Is use it when a user shares a joke, tells a funny story, or wants to emphasize a funny moment. And then you can also have fill in slots. Like for example, remember earlier in this video, I showed you the comment card, the one that jumps in, where you can put the name of the commenter and the comment. So over here, we don't really need this because you don't really have a slot here for text. So let's save that effect. And here it gives you the prompt how to use this. Use the Zippy effect rising laughing face. You could just copy that. I'm going to copy that right now. Awesome. Fantastic. So now you can see my effects. So here's one, my only effect, but I can create as many as I want. So we're talking about this unbelievable AI video editing app called ZippyClip. And to get to this functionality, you click on the Pro section here, and then you click on Zippy Effects. Not sure if you can see it. Let me, here you see it over here, right over here. Whenever you click on this, you'll see all of your effects and the pre-built effects, pre-bundled effects. So the comment card is pre-bundled, so you can always use that one, but you can create your own effects. So if you're an AI video, if you're a video editor, but you want to start using AI, you want to start implementing AI into your workflow, you can now create your own effect using your effect section here. And by the way, I forgot to click on enhance prompt, which actually enhances this prompt so that the actual final result could actually be even better than your original prompt. So I'm enhancing it, and then I'm going to create the effect again. Perhaps I can make an even better effect that I can then use long term. So once it's ready, then I'm going to show you how I actually use it on the timeline. And of course, you use it in exactly the same way as you edit your video, is just by prompting your edit. And that's what's amazing about this software. So let's check this out. So I like this one a lot more. If you notice, these smiles that you're seeing now are much more clear. They're not so translucent. They're much more opaque. So I'm actually going to save this one instead. And I'm going to delete the other one because I like this effect even more. And I'm going to be applying this to... here we are. So I'm going to copy this one. Awesome. And I'm actually going to delete the first one, because if you look at the first one, the laughs here are a little bit shallow. So I'm actually going to delete that one. So I only have this one, and I actually prefer this effect. So you can see I'm actually creating my own effect so that my edit will be my own edit. So let me now bring up a video over here so I can show you how I actually apply it. All right. So I add a video to the timeline as you would any video. It can be vertical, horizontal, and then I'm going to prompt my edit. Now, for those of you already aware of this software, there's this one-click edit my video button. You see this one here, this yellow one? You can just click that and it will pro-edit your entire video, including effects. But I'm actually going to paste specifically the laughing emojis and place it at second 1 till 5, let's say. So I'm asking now for the AI video editor to use this effect somewhere in the video. Now I'm going to explain to you why this is so amazing. Yeah, this is just one effect that I created, but this app has unlimited effects, and it can also create effects for you based on the video transcript. So for example, if I show you my prompt, this is my favorite prompt. It says like this, yeah? This is my favorite prompt. Here, check this out. Place messenger style chatbot at the top of the frame with a highly engaging, hooky conversation. 3 to 5 back and forth messages about the video's topic. I'm actually going to change that to 4 to 6 back and forth messages. And then from 5 seconds to 10, apply an opaque screen on the video with a search box in the center. Can you see? And probably this video that you just watched was exactly like that. And so you can see how this is going to start doing my edits for me. Now in this prompt, I can also add that whenever there's something funny, add this specific effect. And I can do that right now just by going into this prompt and just editing it. Let me just write that actually into the prompt right at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to do, if there is a funny moment in the video, please use this please use the Zippy Effect high energy laughing emoji stream. Fantastic. And that's it. Now anytime there's something funny in the video, there will be this effect will be used. So you can see how you start creating this automation of your AI edits. There we go. Check this out. So it just created that effect. Actually, I think it created its own one, which is actually quite funny because I asked for it to use the one that it was created. Whatever, at least it worked. So as you can see, this is how you can start editing your videos using AI. Absolutely insane. See you in the next one.